Look at it, it's really very stable. So. We have added this is the straightened rollers. It keeps it's wired. The weight is very stable. Look at it. Don't worry. Look at it. It tension control stays very stable. Yeah. The stable very good. Okay. We look at it. We look at it, the bobbing in the brackets, very stable. We look at it. Okay. We look at it. We listen up. You look at it. It's very stable. We look at it. It's break. Yes. This is not is for the servo motor. The others, the joint block is for the servo motor. Look at it. The tension is very advantageous. So we changed many some with the parts. Look at it. Very good. Look at it. Very good. April we added the brakes. Very good. Very good. Okay. Look at it. No better in servo motor. Okay. Look at it. The more idea is just the country systems. Look at it. You know the inverters, the frequency inverters, very famous brand in China. Okay. With all the things. Data things or generators. This one is the polishes. This copy Italian technologies. It's all different. It proves it designs. This little very fast. It can around 3 meters per second. You look at it. It's all machines, also motor machines.